Hi students, problem number 2. A truck moves 300 km at a speed of 45 km per hour and then another 500 km at a speed of 60 km per hour. Find its average speed. This is slightly different from the previous problem. Now how much distance initially it is moving is 300 km. So the distance d1 is equal to 300 km. With what speed is 45 km per hour. So the speed s1 is equal to 45 km per hour. Now what is the time t1 has to be determined. In how much time they have not given, okay? Similarly, now the next 500 km. So here d2, the distance d2 is equal to 500 km. And it is traveling at a speed s2 equal to 60 km per hour. So this is 60 km per hour. And in how much time they have not given. Okay. Now what is the expression for speed? Speed s1 is equal to distance d1 divided by time t1. Therefore, what is time t1 is equal to d1 divided by s1. So distance 300 divided by speed is 45. Okay. So t1 is now equal to 300 by 45. So it is divisible by 5. So this is 65s are 300 divided by 9 5s are 45. Okay, let it be as it is. Now the time is in hour. Similarly, I want to find the speed s2 is equal to distance d2 divided by time t2. Therefore, the time t2 is equal to distance d2 divided by speed s2. So what is the distance d2 is 500 km. So this is equal to 500 divided by speed is 60. So this is 60. So I can cut the zeros. Therefore T2 is now equal to 50 divided by 6. So what is the total time taken? The total time taken is equal to T1 plus T2. Okay. So that is 60 by 9. So this is 60 divided by 9 plus 50 divided by 6. So we have to take the LCM. So now this is total time T is equal to T1 plus T2. So 60 divided by 9, once again I can cut 20 divided by 3. Okay, 20 divided by 3. So this is equal to 20 by 3. So 20 divided by 3 plus 50 divided by 6. So that the common denominator in LCM is 6. So 3 2s are 6. This is 40 plus 50. So that is equal to 90 by 6. 90 by 6. So once again this is equal to what? 45 into 2 is 90 and so this is the hour. The unit of time is hour. So taking LCM, the total time taken is equal to what? 45 by 3 hours. Are you understanding this first of all? Since individual time in each step is not given, we are finding individually what are the times T1 and T2. We are adding the time T1 and T2 and we get the value of the total time. Now total distance is what? D1 plus D2. So total distance traveled is equal to D1 plus D2. So this is equal to what? 300 plus 500 km. So this is 300 plus 500. So this is equal to 800 km. And the total time T is equal to what? 45 by 3 hours. Therefore average speed. Therefore average speed is equal to d1 plus d2 divided by t1 plus t2. So average speed, S average, is equal to d1 plus d2 is how much? 800 kilometers. So this is 800 kilometers divided by the total time taken is how much? 45 by 3. So this is 45 divided by 3 hours. So this is now equal to 800 into 3. 800 into 3 divided by 45. So it is divisible by 5. Okay. So 16 5s are 80 and 1 0 into 3 divided by 9 5s are 45. So once again this 3 3s are 9. So 160 by 3. Therefore S average must be equal to 160 divided by 3 kilometer per hour. Kilometer divided by hour can be written as kilometer per hour. So this is the final answer for the average speed. So these are all the stepwise learning at the initial stage. At the initial stage we have to learn step by step. Once you are practicing this type of problems, some 5 to 10 problems, then automatically the speed will develop. So practice only can make a man perfect. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.